Alright, this is after 5 minutes after I covered this lid, yeah, to expedite the cooking process. All the veggie has already been softened.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Tonight Appa is going to make a zapcai, mixed veggie, yeah, stir-fry mixed veggie. Okay. I confess, for those who really understand Appa, tonight I'm actually trying to clear my fridge lah. So I basically take out whatever I have. Okay, so let's take a look at the ingredient. Now there's no rules in Appa Kitchen, as you all know. You can use any kind of veggie, mixed veggie you have. I have some leftover cabbage, yeah, Chinese cabbage actually. Actually, more commonly to be used for this dish at a restaurant is cabbage instead of Chinese cabbage of what I'm using today. So, and then I'll have some blue bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some, this is broccoli. And usually they will mix some cauliflower as well, but I'm trying to finish off my broccoli, so as you know, yeah, Appa always clear my kitchen. So, and then after that, we will need a bit of some minced garlic and also a few pieces of ginger. I'll be using, of course, my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, 100% natural ingredient, some light soya sauce, and also my favorite Vietnamese Ong fish sauce, premium fish sauce from Phuket Island. Now, some of you may wonder how come Appa always like to use different kind of saltiness. So for this dish, I'm going to use salt, I'm going to use light soya sauce, I'm also going to use some fish sauce. Now, you always hear people saying that, wow, how come this particular chef dish has a different level, 很多层次感，不同的层次感， different level of flavor, and this is how they do it. Even saltiness, a simple saltiness will come from different kind of ingredient. You're going to start by putting a little bit of vegetable oil. Heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, you're going to saute the garlic and also ginger for a minute or two before we continue. We shall come back shortly. After you notice the garlic ginger started to brown a little bit, you can then add in the veggie. Give it a few stir. After the few stir, you can now add in some water. And I will change this water into chicken stock by adding my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Singapore, for those who are interested. Not interested, never mind, don't worry about it. Just use your homemade chicken stock will do. After that, you're going to add in some salt, bit of light soya sauce, few dashes of Vietnamese fish sauce. We'll add a little bit more water here. Oh, we can definitely add in some oyster sauce. Okay, today's special a bit, rather than oyster sauce, I will add in some abalone sauce. And try to bring the broth into boiling. Once you start seeing it is boiling, you can actually close it with a lid and let it simmer for a couple of minutes. Then it is almost done. Actually, now I know why people use more often on the cabbage rather than Chinese cabbage for this particular dish, because cabbage gets cooked faster. Never mind, I will just let it cook for a couple of minutes more, just to make sure the Chinese cabbage is also fully cooked, yeah? Alright, this is after 5 minutes after I covered this lid, yeah, to expedite the cooking process. All the veggie has already been softened. Now, if you really want to be very particular, of course, you can actually cook those veggie which is easier to be, which will take longer time to cook first, like the cabbage. But Appa today lazy lah. So now I'm going to just off the fire, put in some cornstarch solution. This is actually to thicken out the sauce, yeah. Right, it's basically done. You can give it a little bit of sesame oil right before serving. Few drops of sesame oil and also few dashes of white pepper. Done. You can serve now. So here's my very simple stir-fry mixed veggie. If you like my very simple video today, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.